Well, hey everybody, it's Ali Flores again. You remember me from such videos as the ones like this one. I'm here with Orlando Vacation again, and we're going to give you some more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. So, there's no question that a Disney vacation can be a lot of fun. I have so much fun on a Disney vacation, but if you're not careful, it can also be pretty costly. That's why it's important to know about all the ways you can save money on your trip before you book it. Speaking of before you book it, before you finish watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to make sure you can always see our videos, because that's the best part. Luckily, there are plenty of tips and tricks out there that can help. Okay, number one. Choose the right time of year to travel. Now, many people opt for a Disney vacation during school breaks or during peak season, which can be expensive. If possible, try to travel during the off-peak seasons instead, all right? The times of the years when crowds are smaller and prices are lower. For example, you can often find great deals on Disney vacations if you travel in early September or late August, right after the summer rush. Number two, look for hotel discounts and deals. If you're staying at a Disney hotel, be sure to ask about any discounts or deals that might be available. You can often find ways to save by booking your stay in advance or by staying for a longer period of time. Additionally, many hotels offer special rates for AAA members, military personnel, and Florida residents. Number three, save on dining costs by eating off-site. Disney's many restaurants can be very expensive, especially if you're trying to eat at one for every meal. One great way to save money is to look for options outside the parks and explore some of the local restaurants instead. By doing this, you can enjoy a delicious meal without breaking the bank. Number four, take advantage of free activities and entertainment. Disney is known for its incredible attractions, but there are a lot of other fun things to do that won't cost you a dime. For example, you can catch many of the park's live shows and performances for free, or spend time exploring the Disney Springs shopping and entertainment district. All right, number five, purchase passes and tickets in advance. Be sure to buy your park passes and tickets well in advance of your trip if you want to save money on them. Some online retailers offer discounted deals, so it's worth looking around for the best prices before you commit to anything. Number six, use a travel agent for your trip planning and booking. Travel agents are an excellent resource when it comes to saving money on vacation costs, especially when it comes to Disney trips. They often have access to special deals and can help you plan an itinerary that fits your budget. Additionally, many travel agents offer their services for free. What? So it's definitely worth considering this option when you're planning your trip. Number seven, use a membership to save on lodging costs. If you are part of an employee program or AAA, you can save big on your lodging costs by booking stays through the program. This can be an especially smart idea if you plan to stay at a Disney resort for more than one night. Number eight, use coupons and discounts whenever possible. When it comes to saving money on a Disney vacation, every little bit counts. Be sure to take advantage of any coupons or discounts that you come across, whether you find them online or in a local newspaper. You can use these savings to offset the cost of your trip or to purchase souvenirs and other items while you're there. Number nine, travel during the off season. Oh, that's a big one. If you want to save a lot of money on your Disney vacation, one of the best things you can do is travel during the off season, the off-peak seasons instead, the times of year when crowds are smaller and prices are lower. For example, you can often find great deals on packages during the winter months, especially if you're flexible about when exactly you want to travel. Number 10, have a flexible travel schedule. In addition to traveling during off-season times of year, it's also smart to have some flexibility in your schedule so that you can take advantage of last-minute deals and discounts. You might not be able to plan your exact dates far in advance, but it's well worth doing some research on the best times of year to visit Disney parks and choosing a window of time around that. This can help you save big on lodging and travel costs. In short, there are many ways to save money when planning a trip to Disney parks, and by following these tips from the pros, you can have an amazing vacation without breaking the bank. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.